Hi loves, good morning. Today we're going to El Nido, Palawan, and I'm really excited because it's one of the islands of El Nido resorts that I'm really looking forward to visit, and I can't wait to show it to you guys. Hope you like it. Hi loves, good afternoon. We are already here in Apulit Island and let's just do a room tour. Sobrang ganda niya. Ito yung balcony. Ayan, sobrang ganda. Oh my god. Ayan, pwede ka dyan bumaba para mag-swimming. Tapos dyan, pwede ka naman mag-snorkeling. So yun, ganda. Para siyang Maldives type. Pili ko nakapunta na rin ako sa Maldives. Ito naman yung loob ng room. So that's my sister Jessica. And that's my brother Erickson. And this is the living room area of the hotel. This is the toilet area. And that's the shower area. And actually, itong water cottages does have a connecting room. So, siguro kung family kayo or mas malaki pa kayo, pwede nyo i-occupy yan. Tapos connecting room kayo. And then yung pinakamaganda dito sa hotel is may second floor siya. Yan, nakita sa taas. Ito yung room sa taas. So, meron tayong like one queen size bed and one single bed. Let's check the view. Oh my god, ito yung view. Ang saya. Ito yung view. Oh my god, ang ganda. And that's all for the room tour. Grabe, ang ganda. Sana ma-relax kami. Ito yung parang isa sa mga dream kong water cottages na mapuntahan. Actually, yung dream ko is in Maldives, but meron pala dito sa El Nido Resorts. And wala, speechless na ako. Sobrang ganda. Hi loves! We are going to snorkel today and I'm with my brother. Say hi. Ayun, nagpaiway yung isa akong kapatid. Siguro niyatamad siya. Anyway, we're gonna maximize our time because we're gonna be only here for 3 days. So might as well do every activity that we can. So this is my get up. Kailangan daw naka-rash guard kasi plankton season ngayon. So, para protection din sa katawan nyo. Pero naka-short ako. So, magpapasok na short yung plankton. Ayun. Papunta kami sa front office to get our snorkeling gears. Sana pwede dun sa namin, water cottage. Hi kuya. Dito kami sa kuhaan ng snorkeling gears. Kasi pumunta kami sa front desk, hindi pala doon kumukuha. Dito pala malapit sa room namin. Anyway, wala kasing tao, so hindi namin alam kung kukuha lang ba kami. Or kailangan pa namin sumulat para makakuha ng gears. Siguro, kukuha na lang kami. Ayun, catch you later, guys. Hi guys, kakatapos ko lang maligo and tingnan nyo yung view, napakaganda. Sunset view by the window. Ang ganda, diba? Oh my God. Grabe. Ayan, magdi-dinner na kami. They prepared us a private dinner. Thanks to Miss Jess, by the way. Actually, this is not the first time that they prepared us a private dinner. But this is the second time. The first one was in Lagen. And grabe talaga yung hospitality nila. Wala talaga akong masabi. At wala, we are just in awe right now. Pero siya talaga yan, si Miss Jess talaga yung may kasalanan. So we're just gonna enjoy the night. And, ayan, fill our tummies. Sarap na kinain namin. Well, pinakagusto ko sa El Nido Resorts kasi very hospitable, very accommodating, and lahat ng staff talaga sobrang bait. And they make sure na they always give you the best service that they can give to you. So yun, sobrang thankful for Apulit Island because they exceed our expectation. I'll see what I can vlog tomorrow kasi hindi ako sure kung madadala ko yung camera ko. See you tomorrow, guys. Good night. Ayan, good morning. We're on our way to Clubhouse Restaurant para mag-breakfast. Actually, 1 hour left na lang. So, nagmamadali na kami. Anyway, itour ko na lang kayo sa island. Ito yung mga water cottages. Ayun, according to my sister, they have 49 water cottages here in Apulit Island. So, ayan. Super ganda lang. Morning. Tapos, ito yung clinic area nila. Meron silang clinic. And then, ito yung recreation area. And ito naman yung bar area. And guys, ito yung front beach area. Ito yung iconic na look ng Apulit Island. Tapos ito yung full view niya. Ayan. So, doon kami nagstay. Doon sa unahan pa niyan. Actually, itong ano kasi, Apulit is isang pahabang water cottage until doon sa likod. Tapos may isa pang beach doon. Ayan, pwede ka mag-volleyball dyan. Ay, nag-out of focus. Tapos, ayan yung club restaurant. Dito yung bar area. Tapos, may recreation sa tabi niyan. Hi guys, we are back in our cottage and we just finished our first activity for the day, which is snorkeling in Nabat Reef. Grabe, sobrang ganda, sobrang healthy, sobrang vibrant yung colors ng mga corals. Tapos meron pa yung isang type ata ng coral na yung tip niya, iba yung color. So parang pag tinignan mo siya, tapos natamaan siya nung sinag nung araw, para siyang Christmas lights underneath the ocean. Sobrang ganda. Tapos iba-iba yung fish. Nakakatuwa nga yung parrot kasi sobrang colorful niya. And, ayun. Catch you later, guys. Hi, guys. We are heading for our second activity of the day. We're going to Isla Blanca. Kaya lang medyo maulap. So, sana wag umulan para magamit ko tong camera ko. Really sure. Anyway, Anyway, catch you later, guys. See ya! Good morning, guys. It's our day 3 of our stay here in Apulit Island Resort. And this is also our last day. Sad. Ayan, so our itinerary for the day is we'll just grab some breakfast and then may cliff diving kami ng 9:30. And ilang minutes lang din siguro kasi mag-check out na rin kami ng 12. So, hopefully I can capture our cliff diving later. See ya! Hi again, guys. We're heading to the docking area for our cliff diving today. Ayan, kinakabahan ako. Cliff diving na naman ako nang wala sa wisyo. Hindi ko alam. Ayun. Sana mag-enjoy kami. So we just finished the cliff jump. So according to Kuya, it's 8 meters from up there to downward. Yan. Grabe, kinabahan ako noong una. Pero yung second ko, pero nag-enjoy na ako. And sa'yo pala mag-cliff jump. Ayan. Ayan yung dalawa namin kasama. Sila yung next na mag-jump. Kami tapos na. Whew. Sarap. In fairness. We are currently walking to the docking area where we're gonna ride a boat to Taytay Port, and then from Taytay Port we're gonna ride a van to Leo Airport. So